In this video, I'm going to show you how to configure the Figma MCP server, also known as the Model Context Protocol server, and connect it to your code editor so you can bridge your design workflow directly into development. Before anything else, it's important to understand that the local MCP server only works with the Figma desktop application, not the browser version. You need to be on version 127 or higher for this feature to be available. So if you're using Figma in your browser, this won't work. Make sure you download and install the desktop app first. Once inside the Figma desktop app, you need to enable the local MCP server. There are two ways to do this. The first way is through Preferences. Click on the Figma icon in the top left corner, go to Preferences, and then enable the local MCP server from there. The second way is through Dev mode. Open any file, switch to Dev mode using Shift+D, and in the right sidebar, you'll see the option to enable the desktop MCP server. As soon as you activate it, Figma will generate a local URL for you. After enabling it, you'll see a local URL, usually something like http://127.0.0.1/3845/MCP. This is the address your IDE will use to connect to Figma. Copy that URL because you'll need it in the next step. Now it's time to configure your code editor. The exact process depends on which tool you're using. If you're using Cursor, go to Settings, then Cursor Settings, then General, and find the MCP section. From there, add a new global MCP server. Give it a name like Figma-desktop, set the type to HTTP, and paste the local URL you copied from Figma. In some cases, depending on the version, the URL might end with /mcp or /sse, so make sure you match exactly what Figma shows you. Once everything is set correctly, you should see a green indicator confirming that the connection is active. If you're using Visual Studio Code, the setup usually requires the GitHub Copilot extension to support MCP functionality. Open the command palette using Ctrl+Shift+P on Windows or Command-Shift+P on Mac. Then search for the command to add an MCP server. Choose the HTTP type when prompted, paste the same local URL, and name the server Figma-desktop. After that, your VS Code environment should be able to communicate directly with your Figma desktop app. If you're using Claude Code, the setup is done through the terminal. You'll run a command to add a new MCP server using HTTP transport, name it Figma-desktop, and provide the same local URL. After running the command, make sure to restart Claude Code so the changes take effect. Without restarting, the new configuration might not be recognized. Once everything is connected, your IDE can securely communicate with your local Figma instance. That means you can pull structured design context directly into your development workflow, making it easier to translate UI designs into real, production-ready code. Setting up the Figma MCP server might look technical at first, but once it's configured, it creates a powerful bridge between design and development, reducing friction and helping teams move faster with better alignment.